In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for coaching calls. Calendly tutorial, 5 minutes. Open your browser and head to calendly.com. You'll need an account, so if you already have one, click Login at the top right. On the login screen, enter your email address and select Continue, then enter your password and continue again to access your dashboard. If you're brand new, you can sign up from the same page. Just make sure you verify your email later so your links work properly. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, you'll see your event types and scheduling options. To set up a new coaching call, click the Create button. From the options that appear, choose the one-on-one event type. This format is perfect for coaching because it schedules a single client with you at a time and avoids double booking. Give your event a clear, friendly name that sets expectations, like coaching call or strategy session. You can add a short description to outline what you'll cover, what clients should prepare, or how they'll join. Next, choose the duration. Common coaching call lengths are 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Pick what matches your offer, and remember you can create multiple event types later for different lengths. Now select the location. Calendly supports popular options like Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. If you pick a video platform, ensure your integration is connected in your Calendly settings so meeting links generate automatically. For phone calls, specify whether you'll call the client or they'll call you and consider asking for their number during booking. Set your availability for this event. You can use your default working hours or customize the days and times just for coaching. It helps to add buffers before and after meetings to avoid back-to-back fatigue and double-check your time zone so clients see accurate options. You can also limit how far in advance people can book, which is handy for keeping your calendar manageable. Choose the host for the appointment. If it's just you, keep yourself selected. If you're part of a team, make sure the correct person is assigned so the right calendar and conferencing link are used. When everything looks good, click Create. You'll land on the event page where you can copy your unique scheduling link. Share this link in emails, messages, your website, or social profiles. When clients book, Calendly will handle confirmations and calendar invites automatically, saving you time and reducing back and forth. That's it. You've set up a professional coaching call workflow in Calendly. Happy scheduling!